Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, if you're wondering about joining my free Forex and binary option signals, now I'll just show you the ones for today and what you can expect. And also, I do share my screen, so I post always the link in WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, everywhere I have some type of social media, I share it there. But if you don't have time to sit and look me trading live, also in Telegram, in WhatsApp, links below by the way, I will share the way I do it like this. I'll show you now. So it looks like this. Here you see, for example, a binary option sell line for CAD, COF and I show exactly where I have my red line. And then you can copy, and also here you see you can push this link for so you can see me live, so you can join, just push there, so you can see me talking about the trade and see me trade live also. You have that option. But if you don't have time to see my screen, you can just follow what I'm saying, okay? Also, you will see I always will post a link for the broker that I'm using in that video. So in this case was IQ Sense, and then you have the possibility to copy exactly my trades. So you can see if you have been here today, for example. Let me just find this thing here now. There. So now we can scroll a little down. Then you see here, for example, that we won on the line I just gave you. Then you have that, and in above we have done more trades, of course, but this is for this one. There is a $365, $460, and $555. So you can see that we won 3 times on this line that you just did see I posted here. And then you can see above here, you see other, you see here I posted another one. So you see it's that easy to follow. I just tell you exactly where to take the trade. So when the bars come up to that line, you just push the down button. It's that simple to follow. But like I said, if you want, you can just follow me with a link you see, the YouTube link, and then you can basically go in and see the video directly. So now, for example, let's remove this here now. Now you can see here now, if you look up there now, I have a binary option and Forex trading session tomorrow also. So if you want to come and trade together with me, join me there, and I will show you how I trade Forex, I'll guess the setups, how I think. The same for go for binary option. We are printing money with binary option most of every single session we have. We had a losing session just yesterday, but that is not normal. And then I made a Vixit video and we did current profit. So, but most of the sessions, like 18 out of 20 sessions, we are printing money. So make sure you join tomorrow and let's print some money together, okay? Also, if you want to copy what I'm doing, you need to use the brokers that you see below the video. Also, if you just go to my YouTube channel now, I will leave a link, by the way, to this Forex and binary option signals, because there you see a timer so you can come into the correct time. There also in the chat, when you go, you will see I'll put the links there also that you need to follow my trades, and you can copy me while I'm trading, okay? So I hope you see value in what I'm doing here now. I try to be a little different from all the other YouTubers. I show that I have the skills by doing things live for you every single day. So see that the strategies I'm using actually do work. You will see many YouTubers that put up videos every single day, that they make this and this, they make a count from $1 to 1 million, whatever. It's bullshit. Ask them to do live like I do, and you will see they will not do that. I am the only binary option trader that trade live every single day, so you can copy my trades and you can see that what I'm doing is actually working. So with that in mind, make sure you like this video, help me out, because for some reason I have some haters and my videos are not ranking so good in YouTube. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn off the bell notification thing so you never lose a video from me, never lose a live video from me, so you can print money together with me. And also, if you have any question, put them below the video. And if you don't have a question, help me out also. For some reason, Google like, if you like the video, subscribe, and you see the video from end to start. This is something YouTube sees as a good thing. So help me out with that also. So then I see you tomorrow, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope we can print some money together tomorrow. So with that, have an amazing day.